Did you know that organizations implementing structured reliability-centered maintenance programs can reduce unplanned downtime by up to 50%, improve equipment reliability by 40%, and lower maintenance costs by 35%? Yet many organizations still rely on reactive maintenance approaches, leading to repeated equipment failures, shortened asset life cycles, and costly operational disruptions. Hi, my name is Steve Perrys, and together with our faculty director, we would like to invite you to our certified Reliability-Centered Maintenance Leader program. To begin this program, you'll build a strong foundation in reliability-centered maintenance frameworks, learning how to design effective maintenance strategies, perform asset criticality analysis, and apply structured failure mode and effects analysis, or FMEA, to identify and prioritize the most critical reliability risks across your operation. Next, you'll advance into modern reliability strategies, including condition-based maintenance, predictive maintenance technologies, and maintenance planning and scheduling optimization. You'll learn how to use maintenance data, reliability metrics, and performance indicators to detect failures early and make smarter maintenance decisions. As you progress through the course, you'll explore advanced techniques such as root cause analysis, lifecycle cost optimization, and reliability benchmarking. You'll also gain insights into how AI-driven analytics, digital twins, and Industry 4.0 technologies can transform maintenance planning and improve operational visibility. By the end of the program, you'll be equipped to design and lead world-class maintenance strategies that improve asset reliability, reduce downtime, and strengthen your organization's operational performance. After passing the chartered exam, you'll attain the Certified Reliability-Centered Maintenance Leader, or CRCM designation. This globally recognized credential demonstrates your expertise in implementing world-class reliability frameworks and leading enterprise-level maintenance transformation initiatives. So, what are you waiting for? Join us today and advance your career to become a leader in reliability excellence.